Hello, lovely kids. It's another exciting edition of Kids House with me, Na Ajelisaki, on Adwa TV. It's International Day of Education, and we are bringing you performances from some school. We promise to bring you nothing but fun. Stay tuned and enjoy yourself.
Education. Education is acquired through knowledge. Knowledge is a great power, but vanity when not applied, and useless when the brain remains black and unpolished.
UNESCO is dedicating the International Day of Education, celebrated on 24 January 2024, to the crucial role of education and teachers play. The celebration was recommended on education for peace, human rights, and sustainable development. Still on the Education Day celebration. As a result of how important education is in Ghana, some schools decided to celebrate their education day by having some performance on why education is important in the society. Decent Learning Academy is one of the schools that decided to portray why education is important in the society. The headlines: Why Education Day is celebrated in Ghana. My name is Anastasia Osai. Enjoy the rest of our program.
Mini Acho Mini Sempe, that I was raised on this land. Yes, I mean this land. I was trained to become a great fisherman by Nidromo. Nidromo was hardworking and a successful fisherman. Nidromo always goes to fishing and returns with tons of fishes. In their time, I remember we both goes to fishing without a break or rest, but always with a great catch. I mean, this is the time we want to need our education. I think this is the time. I really goes to fishing without a break or rest. I mostly return home with nothing, but today things are really not the same. Or is it because we stop the animals and human sacrifices to the sea? For weeks, our harvest and plastic are debris. I think the gods are bad with us. I'm even confused, hoping the gods solve the solution.
Numo J. Nakai. But as you said earlier, the goes for fishing even in a decade without rest. Have you thought about the production cycle of fishes? To talk about this, fishes also produces fingerlings. They have gestation period which helps them to multiply their numbers. But no more, these fishes had to produce. But here is the case. We harvest all of them. And today you are here blaming the gods. No more. These gods that we are always concerned about doesn't even exist. Not to even talk about the rubbish we throw into the sea. This rubbish we throw into the sea take about 1,000 years before decomposition. It's about time we leave these gods and stop throwing rubbish into the sea and leave them to multiply their numbers.
Numo Aula is not all about traditional beliefs or scientific method, but is a combination of ideas that will solve the problem we have in the community. Yes, this is a gunland, and I am not depicting the fact that most of us here are fisher folks. Yes, it's about time we let the people understand the importance of the sacred days. The reason behind fishing breaks and avoiding improper waste disposal into the sea. Yes, this goes a long way to affect the fiction industries. To talk about the sacred days, when our ancestors used to perform sacrifice and to allow the river goddess to rest. But to science, is a period set aside to rest and also give time for the fishes to produce more. So to my fishermen, it's about time we respect the fishing break period. And to my community, It's about time we stop throwing rubbish into the sea and to allow the fishes to produce more. For the fishes to survive, let us not forget that we have a role to play, and that role is everyone, including the elite or an illiterate. Thank you.
Education, education, education. Education is a very long way to go. Education is a very mighty journey to travel. Of course, a 1,000-mile journey begins with the very first step. Disappointment, frustration follows you as you travel through the world of education. But never give up. For better education is the guarantee for future security. Thank you.
All too soon, we've come to the end of today's edition, and I enjoyed myself. I hope you enjoyed yourself too. Bye bye.